most visited place in Minnesota. Mall of America has tons of amazing attractions. We've got the world's largest indoor theme park, Nickelodeon Universe. We've got an aquarium, 2 mini golf courses, we've got a zip line, we've got a ropes course, we've got bowling, and we've got go-karting. There are over 500 stores in Mall of America, so you're going to find something that you love for sure. I just found this beaded flannel. What's not to love about a beaded flannel? Even if you don't, there's no sales tax on any clothing whatsoever in the whole mall, so you're gonna get a deal on it for sure. You're bound to work up an appetite, which is great because there's tons of restaurants here. If you want a snack, 5-course meal, we've got burgers, fries, sushi, margaritas, anything that you want, you're gonna find it here. Welcome to Mall of America.